Would you date a sugar daddy that gives you 100,000 Philippine pesos monthly or a boyfriend that only gives you 4,000 Philippine pesos monthly? Do you personally know anyone dating a sugar daddy and how do you feel about it? Hi everybody, my name is Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. Filipinas are often stereotyped in a negative way as money hungry and desperate for cash. So in today's video, we are going to interview Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines and ask them, would younger Filipinas date a sugar daddy? Well, let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. Would you date a sugar daddy that gives you 100,000 Philippine pesos monthly or a boyfriend that only gives you 4,000 Philippine pesos monthly?
I would date a boyfriend instead of sugar daddy.
Okay, boyfriend that can only give you 4,000 Philippine. Why?
I think I just don't feel comfortable having to date a person that is like years older than me, and I don't feel that I'm comfortable having to date them just because they're giving me 100,000 a month.
For me po, I will not choose the sugar daddy po. Actually, I have a boyfriend then, and I would like to choose the who will give me the only love, and I don't like the even though he can gives me a lot of things that I want, but as a clingy person, I'm a clingy, and I want just love. And since even though I'm just a student, I did not admire those student now always want to go anywhere, who wants to buy a lot of things. And yes po, I will just choose my boyfriend who will just give me some simple things.
I choose boyfriend. Um, Even though the amount is not too big, I can I can appreciate all his efforts for me.
I would choose my boyfriend who would give me 4,000 pesos a month because I am in a long-term relationship, and for me I guess quality time is much more important than money. I think I can date a boyfriend which can give me 4,000 a month because it's not about the money, right? It's depend on the love. And then of course, if you have own work, you don't have to get money from your boyfriend, and he is the one who gonna give you that, not you, right?
I would still pick my boyfriend because I have my boyfriend right now. I would pick my boyfriend since I'm not really into those material things, and I personally believe that I have my own connection po with my boyfriend, so I would choose my boyfriend.
Do you personally know anyone dating a sugar daddy and how do you feel about it?
I don't actually have I don't know someone who is dating a sugar daddy, but if they are, I don't think I am in the place to judge them because I think we all have different perspective in lives, and what they see correct may not uh be according to what I believe. But regardless, it's their life, so they can do whatever they want.
Actually po, I don't know someone dating a sugar daddy, and but my personal thoughts about it is okay because it's their choice and that's their life, and I don't have anything to do with them naman po, so it's okay for me.
Wala po ako sa ngayong kilala na ano. Pero ang masasabi ko lang po kasi, kung aasa lang rin po sila sa sugar daddy, ganyan po, mas okay po siguro kung mag-effort sila in their own way para po para may matutunan rin sila, hindi po yung may inaasahan lang po silang tao.
Oh, so she said that she doesn't know anyone dating a sugar daddy, but she on her, what do you call this, for her, instead of being dependent to a sugar daddy, why work on your own, right? So you can learn something.
There are some, but I am not against that because maybe for some instances um it's like they chose to be practical than being you know, all out when it comes to love, because when it comes to these days, there are different perspective about love, and I guess dating someone such as sugar daddy is their choice, and after all, I'm not against that, because if me personally, if for example, if I need, like if I really need the money, of course I would go for it.
So it really like depend on a situation, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. If it's like emergency that you don't have any choice, you'll do it.
Yes.
Okay.
But in a good way, not in a very you're not gonna take advantage of the person.
I see. Well, we respect that. Thank you so much. She's very brave to say that.
Um I didn't for example, I didn't know for exactly, but I heard it, and then I also seen it in TikTok or Facebook, YouTube. And then for me, it's their own. And then sometimes I feel embarrassed for them, because sometimes they get money from sugar daddy, but maybe they also need that for their own reasons. But of course, their sugar daddy must be say, this is just enough. This is the money I'll just give you. Or sometimes they need, so the girl should be budget that amount, that sugar daddy also. So some of the people, they will not tell them that, oh, that lady has money because of their sugar daddy.
Oh, so the Filipinas must budget the money that their sugar daddy is giving them, right? Okay.
So they will not get money always.
Yeah, I do have some friends who have told me that they have sugar daddies and all, but I don't have any problem or concern about it, since I do believe that they have their own preferences naman po. As long as they're not stepping into other people's lives, then I'm good. I'm good with it. With knowing that they have those kind of connections or relationship with other people. Sure.
Oh, I see. Anyway, salamat. Thank you.
Thank you.